What's going on, Griddle Nation? Welcome to CJ's first cooking show. We're enjoying this lovely, humid, muggy day.
I guess.
In hopes of better days in like a month and a half.
It's fine.
No, it's not.
It's fine.
But you know what is fine?
What?
Liking and subscribing before we get going. Because today, my friends, I'm gonna show you guys how to make a little game day nugs. Game day appetizer.
Little crispy chips of deliciousness?
Little crispy, loaded bacon potato crisps. And I actually had some inspiration from our friend, Mr. Butch. Crazy Pop!
Hey y'all, Crazy Pop here. Taters are done. Look at that.
So to you, Crazy Pop, I'm ringing it and bringing it. Here we go. Let's do the Blackstone dance.
How does the Blackstone dance go? Make a little love. More like old Greg.
Nothing is old Greg.
Do you love me? Are you playing your love game with me?
Tell me what to do, because I need your love a lot. Come on.
Bailey in a boot, anyone?
You ever drunk Baileys from a shoe? What?
So come on, everyone, it's today's first cooking show.
So today we thought we'd switch things up and start operating on our classic
Zipro.
36-inch Pro. We're gonna throw down some classic thick cut Wright's bacon. I'm gonna do...
If loving a bacon is right, or wrong, I blew it.
Yeah, if this is torture, chain me to the world.
This is torture. Chain me to the wall.
Or is gonna be sufficient for us. That leaves enough room for some air, perhaps. Today, we are using russet potatoes. That's the correct name, right?
It is the most potatoey looking potato if you get confused. The russet.
It really is a very potatoey looking potato.
If you were to draw a cartoon of a potato,
this would be what you do, or the image that you were trying to create.
Oddly enough, you draw a chicken. What color is it when you draw a cartoon chicken?
I guess it would be red.
What about a duck? Blue.
That's quacktastic.
So I'm going to be slicing this on the bias, and that's going to help us get this larger surface area. Ethan, how many of these potato crisps should we make?
All of them.
Oh,
all of them.
That's a good answer. I like that. All right, so let's do that.
I mean, those are way thicker than potato chips.
Well, yeah. So it's not a chip.
Ah.
It's a crisp.
Like a tostada.
Like a tostada, but a potato.
Patata.
Hakuna Patata.
Hakuna Matata.
That was a reach.
Yeah.
This is going to be a quick one, so how about we ring it real quick?
Yeah.
Seems appropriate to dodge that bullet. Crisis averted. It's been about 2 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and flip our bacon. Now, I wanted to go ahead and flip these and slide them off to the side because we're gonna be utilizing some of our bacon fat to cook our delicious potato.
What's with the oil?
I'm gonna do a little bit of oil as well because I don't know if I have enough. Yeah, I'm gonna do just a little bit of oil as well. I'm gonna flip these because I wanna get the oil on both sides real quick because I'm gonna go ahead and season one side.
I like it.
And
and the seasoning will stick a little better.
that's exactly why I'm doing this.
He's a genius.
Exo facto, I'm really smart and you are not. So we're gonna be using some nice, bold, kosher salt. If you've never used kosher salt, it is ideal. It's really difficult to over season with kosher salt, and then it doesn't have that like weird iodine, salty, that metallic
put
flavor.
a nickel in my mouth.
Exactly.
Not that I ever have.
Who's ever done that? My daughter swallowed a quarter.
Oh gosh. So I
She
guess
won't
your
do
daughter.
that ever again. The real problem was when a week later there was 2 dimes and a nickel that showed up in the toilet.
She may change.
I'm gonna be going on
into
to
Sauce Town?
making a sauce, a special sauce. You know what makes
special?
this special?
That you didn't open that first?
No, it's because I'm making it for you,
Aw.
and you're special.
Oh.
You're good enough. You're smart enough.
And doggone it, people like me.
Not very many people, but some people like you.
It's all right.
That's all right.
My
So
mother, your mother.
Oh, okay. All right. I will ring it for the mom joke. Well played.
Okay, pick.
A nice wagga here. Some Yingling. We're gonna thin this out.
Oh, that's gonna be pretty thin.
Well, maybe. I might have to add more sour cream. And then, to kind of take this into a unique flavor territory, we're gonna be using the Blackstone Steakhouse seasoning. And I'm gonna be pretty aggressive with this because I want this to really shine.
Wow.
We're gonna be using that steakhouse as well.
There's
in just a
really
minute.
fantastic granules in that seasoning.
Yeah.
Oh, are we on?
I'm checking my bacon.
Seems pretty gorgeous to me.
All right, let's get to this sauce here.
That's it, easy peasy.
That is it. We just got to get a good mixin'. And you know what? I think my consistency is exactly where I wanted it to be.
Of course it is.
Because I am perfect.
A wizard is never late, nor is he early.
Wizard is never late, nor is he early.
I've got a few minutes. Our potatoes are cruising. There's another special ingredient. Special
Yes.
because my special
made
friend
it with love.
made me some pickled jalapenos. So we've got a few options in this jar. We've got liquid
Zip
hot
pepper.
magma.
Liquid hot magma.
Ooh, is this a Serrano?
That is a Serrano. I tossed a few sleepers in there for you.
Yeah, I know. I figured it out. Thank you while I was eating.
How
And
many
I-
did you find?
I gave it to my daughter and she
No,
cried.
dude, you really?
No.
Is that where the change came from?
No,
Oh.
that would make sense though.
Oh.
Okay, so we're gonna set those there. By the time I finish chopping up a couple of chives, we're gonna give our
Chives are
potato
underappreciated.
Oh my gosh.
It's a splash of color, a splash of flavor.
The flavor's really good. You've talked about this before. It's kind of a mix between like a green onion
Yeah, you get a little garlicky, oniony punch and a tiny little green morsel of deliciousness.
and it's just that little step that takes you from an average loaded bacon potato crisp into a highly elevated.
Here at Average Joe's, or here at Global Gym, we're better than you.
And we know it.
At Globo Gym, we're better than you, and we know it.
All right, let's check on our potatoes. Let's see. Oh yeah, so see that?
Oh,
we're getting
beauty.
that color. I'm gonna call that guy done. Yes! Yes! Oh no. Putting that guy, let's see if it heat up a little bit more back there. Oh, that one needs a little bit more time as well. Okay guys, so we're gonna give these a few minutes. We'll just go ahead and do this while I have a couple minutes. Let's bring our bacon over here.
That is the most flawless I've seen you make bacon ever.
Well, there's one that was a little, but no. Just go. Just go. It really is up to you how small of bacon bites that you want to go. I don't want to take it into like the bacon bits that you would get like at the grocery store, but
whoa,
I don't.
whoa. What do you... You actually buy bacon bits at the grocery store?
I gotta be honest with you, I haven't had bacon bits since like I lived at my parents' house.
You just buy bacon strips because you...
Bacon.
Bacon, bacon, where's the bacon?
Bacon.
Whoa. That actually was close.
Welcome back.
It's all good in the hood. Let's bring it and
if
wait.
they don't make fun of you and ream you out in the comment section like they do on my show.
Bro, I
what
saw
are we even
somebody
doing
ripping
here?
you about your glove the other day. They're like, oh, hopefully that would have, he swapped
Changed
out
the
gloves
label.
and blah, blah, blah. And yeah. All right, so we've had about, like, what, 3-4 minutes? Dude, let's get to assembling. So we could take this off, but we're actually going to be bringing it back over here. So I want to just check to make sure my crisps are looking...
Oh, beauty.
Yes.
Those are gorgeous.
So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get a healthy amount of bacon over here. And we are going to... I think that the direction
It wasn't me, finally.
Oh, no.
jeez.
Ethan.
No, that was you.
You.
It wasn't me.
All right, get over here, boys. I
That's a
got
nice
food
shirt.
cooking.
Also, CJ, did you know that Pantera's song Death Rattle, it was actually in an episode of SpongeBob called Prehibernation?
I didn't know that. So I want to cover this up with a lot of cheese. So we're gonna get to
just kicked
kind
it.
of some bacon.
Just walking in this, Ethan.
Oh,
Jeez.
gosh, it's like this is freaking amateur hour over here.
It's like playing poker with my cousin's
It's
kids or
cards
something.
with my brother's kids or something.
Like I'm sitting here playing cards with my brother's kids or something.
Just gotta stop.
Yeah, you know,
Of
you
course,
gotta stop.
You're done. Your mom's gotta stop. Buy
You know?
later and pick up her overnight bag.
Jeez.
Do like just a couple, throw a little jalapeno in here.
Little heat.
Little heat that I'm gonna cover up with the cheese as well. And these are kind of gonna be like single serving bites. Like a single serving friend.
To have this thing, everything on a plane is single serving, even the...
Well, I get it. It's very clever.
Is that working out for you?
What?
Being clever.
I was really hoping, dude, I was really hoping you were gonna go there. That's amazing. I was gonna use my my whisk, but you kind of jacked that up. Let's do a little pre-saucing. And we're not gonna do a ton here. This is just gonna be kind of a light drizz.
You know, adding that a bit more salt and flavor at the end is probably good because you don't have a ton of the sauce.
Yeah.
Like a
And
punch
the,
of
and the
flavor.
potatoes, you know, it was just a light amount of salt and pepper. So this is gonna give us that savory,
Yeah.
salty bite.
It's like a run by fruiting.
It was a run by fruiting.
Go.
Queso.
So I'm gonna just freaking load these suckers up, man.
Nice.
Let's get them easy
Ooh,
peasy.
you about to get some cheese skirts.
Oh, bro, ain't no better skirt than a cheese skirt. All right, now we're gonna just let these hang out, in the words of our dearest Betty. I'm gonna
Betty.
dome it. Here. And we will be back.
That probably only needs, what, like 60 seconds?
Probably 2 minutes max.
Okay.
So let's ring it. And let us bring it, mon frères. Literally, it's been like 90 seconds, and I'm believing.
It's been closer to 60 seconds, like I said, but you know, who's counting?
Whatever.
Me.
Check it out. Yeah, dude.
Whoa.
Look
Dude,
at
it's kind of like nachos.
yeah.
I think we're in full on like tostada territory.
Now we have just one, actually 2 little steps to go, and then we are complete here, gentlemen. So,
Two, it's just chives. What's the second one?
well, I want to add another light. You know what I want to do?
What do you
I want
wanna
to add
do?
another drizzle of this, but I want it to be a little bit thinner.
Ah, you're gonna thin that mother out.
Yep. So it kind of
Drizzles.
drizzles on our
It's a pro move right there.
potato crisp a little bit more. I'm just gonna kind of drizzle and drop and not worry too much about like where it goes, because I'm gonna let the food decide.
Oh,
How about that?
that's actually really poignant,
Thank you.
Ethan.
Thank you.
Thank you.
One more last drizzle,
Drizzle.
if you will, of these dry chives that do not drizzle.
It's a dusting of chives.
It is a dusting
Dude,
of
that's
chives.
good looking.
But speaking of dusting, we're gonna
I've
give
been to
it
Chili's, and it's never looked this good.
no. Chili's doesn't do potato skins anymore. That's actually TGI
What?
Fridays,
Oh,
which
Why?
you didn't need to know that. And then
oh, throw
look
a
at
few
that.
little- I like it.
There it is. What do
Dude,
you think?
game day, set,
Game, set,
match.
Game, set, match.
Gents, can we please get into this? I'm gonna do this,
it.
guy. Do it.
Do
Just
it.
do it.
Do it. Do it.
Say hello to your mother for me.
Say hi to your mother for me, okay?
It really is like a potato skin that you would get at a restaurant. Those jalapenos are awesome. Dang, that's good. That sauce.
Dude, the potato's holding up pretty well too.
There it is. Wow, there's some heat.
Oh,
That was the Serrano.
that was the sleeper.
Dang it!
That was the sleeper. You're actually sweating right now.
You should try one. All right, you know what? You can get into that later. Let's get into something else right now.
What do you want to get into?
I want to get into some fun. I want to get into my favorite comments of the week. Can we just do that for a change?
Yes, please.
From impressive to obsessive, a little spice and the not so nice. It's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
All right, guys, if this is your first time seeing this segment of the show, this is basically where we find comments from you, the viewers out there.
Zang.
What?
It was Zang.
Dang.
But it came out weird.
You immediately regret that?
No, my
You
mouth,
should.
my
It's
mouth
hot.
is a little numb from the pepper.
If this is your first time viewing it, I'm gonna get screenshots from you, the viewers, of your comments. I'm gonna read them, because if you write it,
We read it.
these are the facts, Jack. So starting in no particular order, here we go from the top. This comes from Meredith. She
Hey,
says,
Meredith.
CJ, I just want to say that I love your show.
Aww.
My 5-year-old told me today, after cooking a pizza in the air fryer by himself,
Yes.
that he wants a show just like yours, and he wants to call it Emmett's First Cooking Show.
That's great.
He also loves to watch your show. You have the best energy out of everyone. Nate is great, but he
Well-
reminds me of one of those early morning cooking shows with
Okay.
old people.
No.
Just joking,
That's
he's great
not-
too. Keep it up.
Okay.
We look forward to the weekly releases. Holy
Oh,
cow!
yeah.
Meredith, you're
Can we get it for
amazing.
Emmett?
And this is also for Emmett.
Emmett.
In recognition of Emmett's First Cooking Show. So I got another nice one. A couple
Okay.
nice ones in a row. Here we
That's
go. This
good.
comes from Michael.
Change of pace.
He says, I do a lot of tailgating and just bought a 22-inch Blackstone. I was searching for some recipes when I came across your show. You and Nate are great.
Yeah, all right, buddy.
Best comedy. Sorry.
Oof, it's creeping. Just popped up to say hello, and
Now it's gone back down below.
Now it's gone back down below.
Best comedy team since Abbott and Costello.
Whoa.
Frasier and Lippy. It has a nice ring to it.
Ah.
Food looks good too. Keep the videos coming.
Yeah.
Michael.
It's good. I mean, Lippy and Fraser's a little better, but I agree.
All right, let's get to the zingers. This comes from David Ray. Sorry, I just couldn't get past all the old movie satire crap.
Yeah.
Would have liked to have seen the actual cooking video without all the BS.
Yeah.
Without the Blackstone, why would he want to see that? That's what BS stands for, right?
I bet he likes Grey Poupon.
Would you ring it?
Pinky's up for this guy.
All right, Sloat Dog. He's coming back in. He
Sloat
or she,
Dog.
I'm not sure, because it's just, what, Sloat Dog?
Yeah.
Yo, dog.
Yo, dog. Slow dog.
Law dog, go around here, law dog.
Yeah, that's real good, law dog, because law just don't go around here.
Sloat Dog says, tell the nerd in my best ogre yell from
Hey,
Revenge
Ethan,
of
this
the
one's
Nerds.
for you, bud.
Right? Behind the camera to shh.
Me?
You don't need his expertise. Quote, expertise. Ring it. Thanks. Muzzle, muzzle, muzzle. Good things.
Mazel, mazel. Good things.
Okay, this comes from Fred Not.
Not.
Fred says, y'all have some great recipes and techniques, and I don't mean this rudely. Yes, you do. But I would much rather just watch the cook than all the comedy breakaways. It really takes away from the cook. Just my opinion.
Well,
Shave and a haircut. All right, this is a great one. Rainy Joe.
Rainy Joe.
Rainy Joe is gonna rain on
Please
our
be
parade.
nice. Oh, no.
I hate CJ so much.
Oh, my God.
I wish I could remember not to click on the Blackstone videos with his name on them. Angry face, angry face, angry face.
He does not like you. Rainy
a
Joe,
dude.
leave a comment on this video and let us know.
There's no way.
How much? Like, detailed.
You know what?
is it
No,
about CJ
no ring for
that
you.
Are you sure?
Yeah, bring it. I'm thirsty. That Serrano's still creeping.
Yeah.
I don't really know how to take this one, but it's from AHG1358.
Oh.
And this is on my video. God bless Chef Nate. Everyone should have a monkey. They can be entertaining at times. Am I the monkey?
Wait a minute.
Or is Ethan the monkey?
Am I the monkey?
You know what? I'll ring it out for the monkey's uncle.
I don't.
Ethan.
It's gotta be.
It's gotta be.
I would have to be the monkey.
And then you're
I
the
would be
monkey's, uncle.
It all makes sense now.
Yeah.
Thank you guys so much for hanging out and watching. I really appreciate it. Definitely got to try this game day appetizer. Thank you, Butch.
I want to see where they take it too.
Thank you, Butch, for the inspiration. And
Yeah,
like we
Butch.
could go to a whole bunch.
Butch, be honest. Did you see me do that?
Nobody saw you do anything.
Seared salmon.
Seared salmon.
Yeah, and I did potato crisps with it.
Okay, this is nothing like your seared salmon recipe. Still wrapping up. Be sure to go to blackstoneproducts.com. You'll get this recipe, that random salmon recipe as well. But in the meantime, be sure to watch Nate's show. Be sure to watch Betty's show and Todd's show. But this, ladies and gentlemen, is CJ's first cooking show. And Ethan, this is where we cook.
And we quote.
Wait.
And we quote. And
Yeah.
How could?
Ring it.
I guess.
Cooking quote in your heart.